India is known for its diversities and religions, where we enjoy a lot of festivals. Festivals are the best way to revive our social ties. Festivals not only bind us together as a society but also bring a lot of happiness into our lives. Good morning to all of you. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary presenting today's morning assembly. And I wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti and Lohri. Makar Sankranti and Lohri are celebrated on and around 14th January. The main intention of celebrating these festivals is to welcome spring season and the new harvest. They mark the end of the winter season and give lots of reasons to rejoice in happiness. During these festivities, one thing that remains common is worshipping of the sun god. Presence of the sun in our lives holds not just religious significance but also that of great protector and healer. It is a time to remember Almighty. Now join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After pledge, Makar Sankranti is one of the famous festivals that our Indian system cherishes with great entertainment. The festival day is highly auspicious and devotees pray Lord Surya with great dedication. Let's move on. For today's thought, I would call Arpita. Good morning to all of you. Today's thought is sunrise is the reminder that we can start new beginning all over again. And the meaning is every sunrise gives us a new beginning. Watching the sunrise every day has helped us see light within ourselves, potential, possibility, peace and the feeling that all will be well. When we wake up in the morning, we feel refreshed. Our mood becomes neutral. It happens because our body goes through a transformation when we sleep. It gives the mind the time off that it needs for the body to rejuvenate. A new morning means a new mood and a better beginning. That is empowering. Every sunrise inspires us, energizes us, renews us, and gives hope. These are important to start a new beginning all over again. Thank you. Have a good day. What is the scientific reason behind Makar Sankranti? Makar Sankranti is regarded as important for spiritual practices. People take a holy dip in rivers and pray to the sun. To know more about Makar Sankranti, I would call Bhumi to deliver a speech on the importance and reasons behind the celebration of Lohri and Makar Sankranti. Thank you for such knowledgeable speech. Festivals give the opportunity we indulge ourselves in different activities. Makar Sankranti is the best way to bring joy amongst us. It is the festival of sun god and he is regarded as the symbol of divinity and wisdom. The festival also holds an eternal meaning to it. It's time to create positive energy within us. Here, I would like to call girls from class 9 for a devotional song. Thank you to all of you. Lohri is a festival synonymous with the lighting of the bonfire, eating traditional food and singing and dancing, but it is celebrated to thank the sun deity and Mother Earth for a good harvest. It's time to know the history of the Lohri festival and how people celebrate it. For this, I would call Mohini from class 8th. Thank you, Mohini, for enlightenment on the festival of Lohri.